And welcome back to Natural Hub, lovely viewers. Today we're diving deep into a topic that concerns many of us as we gracefully journey through life. Age spots, those little marks on our skin that seem to sneak up on us over time. But did you know that their appearance might be more than just a natural part of aging? There could be a hidden culprit lurking within our bodies. I'm thrilled to have you join us for today's enlightening discussion. We're going to explore how a deficiency in a specific mineral could be behind those bothersome age spots that pop up uninvited. But before we delve into the secrets of age spot prevention, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our empowering content. Now let's talk age spots. These little spots of pigmentation can be a real nuisance as we mature gracefully. They come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from freckle-like dots to larger patches. While many assume age spots are simply a consequence of growing older, recent studies suggest there's more to the story than meets the eye. Enter Zinc, the unsung hero of skin health. This mighty mineral plays a pivotal role in maintaining the vibrancy and resilience of our skin. It regulates oil production, aids in wound healing, and acts as a potent antioxidant, shielding our skin from the ravages of time and environmental stressors. But here's the kicker. When our bodies are deficient in zinc, our skin may suffer the consequences, potentially leading to the formation of those dreaded age spots. So, how can we ensure we're giving our bodies the zinc they need to thrive? It's as simple as incorporating zinc-rich foods into our daily diet. Think delectable delights like succulent oysters, lean beef, wholesome chicken, hearty lentils, and crunchy nuts. These culinary delights not only tantalize our taste buds, but also nourish our skin from within. And let's not forget the importance of staying hydrated. Sipping on refreshing water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and keeps our skin supple and hydrated. Of course, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if you're meeting your body's zinc requirements. They can offer personalized advice tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. So if you've been grappling with age spots, consider giving your skin the love and nourishment it craves with a healthy dose of zinc. Together, let's embark on a journey towards radiant, age-defying skin. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful self.